Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome back to this edition of Meet a Misfit, where we are going to meet a new Misfit, and guess who that is? Me. So come and check it out. I've been a part of Misfits Unified for over 4 years now. Before Misfits, I lived in Canada and I was always in the service industry for over 12 years. I had this artistic creativity inside of me from a very young age, but once I got into my 20s, I just lost all inspiration until I found Misfits, and my whole creative drive has gone wild.
Hey Jackie, what's up?
Hey Tati! I am carving a giant jungle tree to be one of 3 posts for a custom gazebo for our pool deck Aloha. As much as I love working with the cement, my biggest passion is wood carving. Over 4 years ago, I got my first challenge to do my first wood sculpture. Before I joined Misfits Unified, I realized now that I was very alone. And there was a point where I realized that all of my connections with people were very surface. I didn't have this like deep connection with people, like deep friendships. So collective art to me has just brought this world where we're together doing something super magical and special, and it's fun, and we get to just create amazing things that you could never do on your own.
Ellie!
We come together with a project and we have all these ideas floating around, and then eventually we pick one that makes everyone feel. You're constantly moving to different projects and you're constantly working with different people, and it really challenges you on every level, because some people you work really well with and you just jive and everything flows, and then some people you're just butting heads with in a lot of ways and you don't find the groove, or you move to a part of the project that's way more challenging for you. So you're just like constantly being faced with challenges that you either have to rise above and work together to figure out, or move on to something else. But it's alive, and no matter what, at the end of the day, no matter what's happened with anybody else, if you've butted heads or something hasn't worked out, like, we always get to this point where we just look at each other at the end of the day and just laugh, because nothing's at stake. I wouldn't dare before Misfits to call myself an artist, but now there is no shadow of a doubt that I am an amazing artist with so many different modalities, and this is just the beginning. Like, what we've done in the last 4 years is incredible, and it makes me super excited to dream up what is yet to come.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.